Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I have come up with you for a very important slicing and dicing method that is called lock and ilock function in Python. Okay, so let us start in Jupyter Notebook and we'll import the pandas and NumPy library. So let us understand what is the difference between Python lock and ilock indexing method. So the lock function is label based data selection method, which means we have to pass the name of the rows or column that we want to select. Okay, that is called the lock function. So lock label. Understand this similarity lock label. Okay, so let us create one data frame. So in this data frame, there are 10 rows and 8 columns. Okay, so now if I want to call label means this is a label 0, 1, 2 indexing in Python. Indexing start from 0 onwards. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the rows label. Okay, now as per definition we have to give the label of data frame. Okay, so rows label, say for example third. Okay, so I want all record till third row. Okay, then column, we need to give the label of this column. Now let us see what it comes. Okay, so sorry, this is iloc function. We are talking about block. Okay, so what does it means? All the records up to this label 3, wherever the label 3 is there, all record will come in rows and in columns. Got it? So likewise if I do for 6 and 6. Okay, so it will give me the six label, all columns up to 6 label and all rows up to 6 label. Dot lock. So lock label. Understand this similarity. Now next one is ilock method. Okay, so this is the ilock method. So definition that iloc method is an index based selection method, which means that we have to pass an integer index in the method to select the specific rows and column. Okay, that means this method does not include the last element of the range passed in like lock. So in simple word, if you here in lock method, if you press up to 3, so all record up to 3 will come. Okay, now this is saying the last record of the row will not come. Okay, so let us see what happened if I okay, first let me first import this data frame. So this is one data frame called data. Okay, and these are all informations are there. Now let us understand what is mean by IO. So I've written here display data.ilog in double bracket in square bracket 0247. Okay, so what does it means? It means that whatever the 4 columns are there, it is already there, but it is giving me the specific rows of this data frame. How? See here, this is a row number. This is 2 is row number, 4 is row number, 7 is row number. Okay, so iloc method is giving us the return data based on index. So I have passed the index number. Okay, likewise let me just pass another data.ilog 1 to 5 rows and 2 to 5 columns. So it has given me this data. Now what I infer from this data, what should I infer from this data? I should infer that in iloc function, if you see, I have passed the, this is a row. I have passed the row from 1 to 5, 1 gen to 5 gen. So first record will be included and last record will not be included. See, last record will not be included. Likewise, this is a column. So what is a column number 2? Column number 2 is kilometer driven. Now don't confuse this 2 with 2 number column. Okay, this will also start from 0, 0, 1, 2. Okay, so 0, 1, 2. So this column is also included, then this column is also included, then this column is also included. Okay, so what does this 5 means? This 5 means that last index n minus 1 we have to take it. So here what is mean by n minus 1? So n is the last digit what we want to place, and minus 1, that means 4. So it will come all data up to from 2 to 4, 2 3 4 minus. Okay, so this is the very critical part of understanding the difference between log and ILOG. Let us again take you with log example. In this data frame, you can also slice and dice within the square bracket. Okay, so here you can see data.log in square bracket. I want to again slice the data. Data.brand, where is the brand? Okay, this is the brand I want to call based on specific brand boolean condition. Okay, so you can give the boolean condition in log, but you cannot give the boolean condition in ilog. That is the key difference. That's why I personally use this boolean method in data analysis many times, almost 15 to 20 times a day. Okay, so this is a beautiful lesson. You learn the difference between log and ilog. I will share this data frame, this Jupyter notebook with you. If you have any question, feel free to ask this, any questions in comment section. Thank you very much for watching this video.